up a fox and a wolf relationship or getting together. Interesting.
That's really interesting.
But one thing I was confused of is how does a relationship between a bird and a snake
Yes, there was actually a bird and a snake dating. Through the whole
happen?
Weird. I was like, huh?
And what does that
What the-
look like?
That does not make sense.
That is just an interesting.
Kevin?
What?
Come on, dude.
You're loud, dude.
What did I do?
You're just loud.
I'm not being loud.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm talking
could do
normally.